Hi guys, my name is Sanjana and today I would like to begin with a quote. The company is as extraordinary as its people. With that, I would like to introduce Sahej. He was the business development manager at IKF. He is the kind of person who can turn a maybe into, let's get this deal signed today. Hi Sahej.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So Sahej, my first question to you is how was your overall experience at IKF?
So my experience at IKF was really good. So this was the first time I was working with a digital marketing agency and it was really good. So we had a very good culture. Like the company has a really good culture and the employees working with me were really great. I never felt that I was working in a new company. It always felt like they made me very comfortable. They were really good to me. So the working pattern of IKF as being a digital marketing agency is very different from the culture what I've worked before and the processes what I've worked in before. So it was really good and I have inculcated few new skills which I would take along with me in the near future.
You mentioned that you have learned new skills since you've been a part of IKF. So what are those skills that you learned?
The skills which I've learned in the company have become more detail oriented as I was reporting to the CEO as he is a vision of the company. He really has a great mindset and he really has a vision to grow the company to the next level.
That's great. Wow. It was nice talking to you, Sahej, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much. It means a lot.